Hello everyone, welcome all to watch this episode of Dr. Hedgie's Travelogue. This time I will continue to take you to a place where you can see ice and snow. Our destination is Nagano, the ski trail that once hosted the Winter Olympics in 1998. We departed from Tokyo and took the Shinkansen Kagayaki. It took about 80 minutes to arrive at the Nagano station. After arriving, we went directly to the ski resort as the first stop. So we directly transferred ourselves to the bus station and took the bus for the Tsugaike Kogen ski resort. This bus actually passes through several famous ski resorts. We saw that most tourists choose to get off these famous ski resorts such as Hakuba, whilst we got off the bus at the last stop, Tsugaike Kogen, which is also known as Hakuba Valley. This time we stayed in a small hotel in the middle of the ski resort, Hotel Hakuba Berghaus. I would say the hotel is neat and clean. The room has a continental style feel, and you can see the vast ski scene outside the window. We rented skis at the hotel and went straight to skiing. The location of the hotel is really convenient. You can come back from the snow at any time to warm up and rest for a while, and then you can go out to continue skiing again. When you take a ski lift to the top of the mountain, you can see the endless mountain scenery of Nagano, which is mesmerizing and relaxing. When there are not so many people, I had taken the chance to practice skiing on the ramps. A friend asked, "Is there a restaurant in the middle of the ski resort?" The answer is yes, and it's still our familiar Burger King, but there are a lot of people in the restaurant. In the end, we had decided to take our deliveries back to the hotel for lunch. We have counted that even with the food, it only took us about 5 minutes to get back, and the food is still warm. The efficiency is really higher than Food Panda. The hotel has a small public bath, and if you feel sore after skiing, soaking in hot bath can help relieve fatigue. In a blink of an eye, it was dinner time. The set menu provided by the hotel was very satisfying. There were 7 courses for dinner, and the appearance for each dish was very delicate. All our team members felt very satisfied after eating this meal. The breakfast in the next morning was equally wonderful. First came a mini cheese fondue, followed by a series of Western-style breakfast food, all of which are also very suitable for winter enjoyment with a heartwarming feeling after eating. After breakfast is checkout time, and we took our bus back to Nagano. For friends who have the opportunity to come here, I will introduce you to try this unique Iwaiya eel shop. This restaurant is very principled. In order to maintain the quality of food, the restaurant will only be opened 2.5 hours a day, and it sells a limited number of eel rice. We were fortunate enough to try the eel rice set. Today's eel was from Shizuoka. The eel was well cooked and the meat was springy. Definitely one of the best eel rice I've eaten in my memory. Before leaving Nagano, we have one last spot, which is to visit the National Treasure level scenic spot, Senkoji Temple. On the way, you will pass a series of specialty shops, which are very suitable for tourists to buy souvenirs. Friends with strong observation skills may recognize Senkoji Temple when they see it. This is a special attraction that Tabikaeru, the travel frog, had visited. That's all for this episode. See you next time. This video is not an advertisement, it's a personal video sharing. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Looking forward to see you soon. Ciao!